Welcome back, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our gas cap accent kits for the Polaris Slingshot. If you feel like your boring factory Polaris Slingshot gas cap could use a little bit of love, then believe me, you're not alone. So to address this issue, we've partnered up with a team over at Tufskinz to bring you guys two different peel and stick accent kits that you can add to your factory Slingshot gas cap. Kit 1 is a one-piece kit that accentuates the elevated hexagonal-shaped portion on the top of your gas cap. Kit 2 is a 10-piece kit that accentuates the various recessed inlays throughout the gas cap, as well as the finger grooves around the perimeter, taking your cap from this to this. Now, since these kits are sold separately, you can either purchase Kit 1, Kit 2, and even both kits together, or you can mix and match colors between the two kits for some contrast and to complement your Slingshot's color profile. And with over 36 different color options, including real carbon fiber, there's really something for everyone. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, these aren't some cheap vinyl decals. This material is thick and pliable and is coated with a UV-resistant top coat to protect against the elements. They're also backed with a 3M adhesive tape to keep the pieces securely in place for years to come. Now, before we begin, it's imperative that you thoroughly clean the surface area of the gas cap using an alcohol wipe to get into all the nooks and crannies that you'll be adhering to, so that the gas cap is free and clear of any and all dirt and debris. So if you purchase Kit 1, simply test fit the piece so you can see how it will align. Then peel off the protective backing tape, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere into place. Now, for those of you that purchase Kit 2, simply peel off the protective backing tape, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere to place. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you'd like to add Kit 1, Kit 2, or even both kits to your factory Slingshot gas cap, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a gas cap accent kit for your sling. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.